Donovan, you're never going to be an NBA player.
Yes, I am. You'll never make the NBA team. Stop!
Donovan, Mason, stop!
We're sorry, Donovan.
Sorry, Donovan.
Donovan.
Sorry you suck at basketball.
Yeah, you're going to suck at basketball.
Stop it now. Donovan, you're going to be in the NBA one day. I'm sure of that. You got this.
Okay.
Oh, John and Macy, how could you break your legs? I need you guys on the team.
In honor of our champion and my very high-tech camera, I am going to interview him. So, what is your strength and what would you like to say about your family supporting you throughout this?
I just want to say thank you to my family, my mom, most importantly, and my dad and my brothers who've been there since I can't even remember, but they've always been there for me. They've supported me even when I've not been the best. Just like in high school, I was struggled, but thanks to support from my family and friends, I got to where I am today.
How have you struggled in your life?
When I was in high school, my freshman and sophomore year, I was bullied by many people, saying I would never amount to anything in the NBA or never be any good in college or just never good at basketball. But now they're my motivation. They were my motivation growing up to getting here, to getting to this point.